Hand, my dear friends. 2025 was one of the best years of my life actually. My life has been more than 35 years I have dedicated to the country club solely. And when I said country club, when Raila, my colleague, mentioned that we have become a zero debt company, it is definitely a major achievement for any company maybe in the world. We have not only survived the COVID, but we have closed the debt and we have become a zero debt company. And the future is nothing but growth. And our franchisee model, which we have started, now it is in full swing. We are having more than 100 franchises, including health and fitness centers. And I think by the time I come back to you next year, I'm sure I think we'll be somewhere else. We are trying to achieve a 1 million member club in the next 3 to 4 years, and we are working on that. Country Club, my dear friends, is not a 5-star hotel. It is not a luxurious hotel. It is a club meant for the community. We are all part of the community, part of a family, and that is what I believe. The concept started about 35 years back. Today is going very strong because of the family values we inherit from our previous generation. So my dear friends, this has been again major success story, and I'm sure I think we are really going ahead and adapting to the changing circumstances. Like we have built a beautiful pickleball courts across the country. Pickleball was not even, people didn't know about pickleball, but today all the leading artists, sports people and all that are requesting me to give them an opportunity to play. Nobody expected that it will be a big hit, but then I had predicted this long back. And my dear friends, the Country Club's policy is to lead, follow, or get out of the way. We have been leading the industry in the last 35 years, and we still stand tall as leaders in the industry. More so, especially once we close our debts and all the other liabilities. Not only in Bombay but across the country, in almost like Delhi, Calcutta, Surat, Ahmedabad, Pune, Bombay, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kerala, Chennai. So all the places that have started very nicely, and I'm sure I think the night will end up in a very beautiful way. We have got our famous DJs here from Bombay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And
Thank you so much, everyone.
social media head. Yeah. So I'm sure that
Even what do you have to say about this big event?
big event, yeah, it's meant for basically for the members and their families. Like we always believe that a family who dances together stays together. So you will find all different kind of people, right from children to members' wife, nana, nani. So it's a huge concept and only meant for members actually.
Happy New Year to all of you first of all, and actually it's very beautiful moment right now, क्योंकि इस टाइम ये एक ऐसी जगह पे हम लोग खड़े हैं जो सिर्फ एक प्लेस के लिए नहीं है, बिल्कुल पैन इंडिया के लिए है. एंड दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट न्यू ईयर बैश, जिसमें फैमिलीज़ एक साथ डांस करती है, एक साथ म्यूज़िक पे खाना पीना सब कुछ होता है. एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट, बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर द फैमिली एंड इट इज़ फॉर द कंट्री क्लब फैमिली.
सर, आज से रात को 12 बजे के बाद 2026 शुरू हो जाएगा. आपके लाइफ में क्या कुछ बदलाव होगा और आप क्या कुछ बदलने की कोशिश करेंगे?
Well, every year we change. Every year is a year of learning actually. मैं बहुत कुछ सीखता हूँ. मैं actually हैदराबाद का हूँ ना, तो a little bit small place. But Bombay आने के बाद मेरा philosophy has changed. People here are very serious and they respect entrepreneurs. And you have Bombay, if you're I remember one famous saying by none other than actor Rajesh Khanna. Once we met, he said, "Mr. Reddy, give your best to Bombay. Bombay will give you only one chance. But if you are successful, it will be a bottomless pit." So I am remembering him today. And well, when I bought this property about 20 years back, there was no road. वो रोड बंद था. हम चलते हुए आए यहाँ. ये माइन था, ये गड़ा 100 feet. तो जब खरीदा हमें, अब सामने बिल्डिंग है, ऊपर ऑफिस लेके टेलीस्कोप से लोगों को बताते थे ये क्लब आ रहा मॉडल बना के. So I have seen those days also. So it has been a very challenging year, and I think I should thank the media from Bombay and also the members from Bombay, because they have made me successful in the most difficult place in the world actually. To enter Bombay is not a joke, especially from the south. And I think one of the few entrepreneurs who made it in a very big way. And I will only salute the people of Bombay and the media people, friends here right now.
सर, जिस तरह मुंबई में कंट्री क्लब के दोनों ब्रांचों में इवेंट मनाया जा रहा है, इसके अलावा किन शहरों में इवेंट हो रहे हैं कंट्री क्लब के?
About 12 places we are doing it, 12 places में. दिल्ली चल रहा, कलकत्ता चल रहा, then चेन्नई, कलकत्ता, केरला, हैदराबाद में बहुत बड़ा शो है. एंड पूरा हैदराबाद में मेरे मिस कर रहा है एक्चुअली. मैं बोला नहीं, बॉम्बे मेरा जाना है.
ये आने वाले साल 2026 में कंट्री क्लब की तरफ से और क्या क्या योजनाएं हैं जो आ रही हैं?
This year 2025 में the country club's main historic milestone was becoming a zero debt company. We had about 600 crores of debt which we closed successfully. And another milestone is, we have also turned into a profit-making company. And apart from that, especially zero debt company, only 3% of people around the world have achieved this status, especially during the post-COVID era. So one of them is the country club. So you can understand the amount of faith, the amount of confidence. We have about 5,000 employees working for the country club, and not a single employee was retrenched. We have maintained everybody, and I am sure, this is a major. This year is going to be a major takeoff for country club. Already we started the franchise route, and extremely we are successful, especially in the north and the northeast. So I think going forward, that is the way forward. This year we will be concentrating more on franchising and new clubs in the north and the northeast.
सर, 2025 का कौन सा ऐसा पल रहेगा जो 2026 में आप बहुत याद करेंगे?
क्या बोले?
कौन सा पल रहेगा?
Which moment will you?
No, moment was, I mean, like today is a moment actually speaking. Yeah, it's a very happy day
It's a
today.
big moment, guys.
Yeah.
It's a New Year bash party.
And-
Asia's biggest New Year bash party.
2025 the bye bye न्यू ईयर की तैयारी है. सो
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy sir to give us this opportunity. It's a very big platform for us, and he believed in us, and we love him, we respect him. Country Club is family. Country Club is an emotion, and it has given us a lot of things. Guys, please join Country Club, and we will rock tonight.
रेडी सर, कंपटीशन के दौर में ऐसा क्या है जो लगातार 35 साल से कंट्री क्लब अपनी शान बरकरार रखे हुए है?
हम शुरू करे वक्त खाली एक क्लब था, वो भी दैट वाज द पैलेस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ हैदराबाद, विलायत मंजिल बोल के, मेन फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन. जब फर्स्ट ईयर वाज ओनली 400 मेंबर्स, अभी वी आर हैविंग अबाउट 4.5 lakh members, and another 4 to 5 years we will take it to 1 million members. So we are working on that, because it is the biggest family chain of clubs already in the world, and उसको आगे बढ़ा रहे. Next 3-4 years में डबल कर देते हैं, because the response has been phenomenal. Brand Country Club has become a huge brand, not only in India but also globally. So there is going to be a global expansion, and I am sure, I think that will work out very well, because people relate to, especially Indians or Asians, they relate to Country Club in a big manner. There is no other brand which can give clubbing, health and fitness, events like today, and holidays. There might be some holiday companies like Mahindra and all that, but all these 4 verticals what I have mentioned to you, nobody has got. So members who join the brand Country Club, I'm sure, I think they're really having a great time, and we are the biggest holiday givers actually in the world. We were talking about families. Yes, we are the biggest guys. We have contributed a lot to tourism, and basically I believe in promoting tourism, because we have reached that stage where we also parallelly see what the country wants. Tourism is a major source of income for many countries, and India should look up to within the country also. Domestic tourism, especially by Himachal Pradesh, I had gone to Gangtok, other places where we have got franchise arrangements. It's amazing. Domestic tourism has picked up like anything, apart from global tourism. So the beauty lies in the Himalayas and Gangtok and these places. So we are going to expand in the north and the northeast very much this year.
ये भारत के अलावा क्या फॉरेन में भी आगे प्लान है कि वहाँ भी कंट्री क्लब आए?
हाँ, प्लान करें ना. In fact, we are having a resort in Sri Lanka. We are having tie-ups in Thailand and Malaysia and Singapore. And definitely, I'm sure this year we are going to. A lot of people have shown interest, and we are going to definitely grow in a very big way in the franchise way. Apart from buying our own properties even in foreign countries like Dubai and all that. Thank you.
थैंक यू.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे इनवाइट किया गया है यहाँ कंट्री क्लब में, और आई एम रियली हैप्पी. ये साल का लास्ट डे है, और जो हमने प्लान किया है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर इंशाल्लाह बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स बनाने हैं, बहुत सारे सीरीज़ करने हैं, तो उसके लिए दिस इज़ द लास्ट डे एंड आई हैप्पी फॉर दैट. थैंक यू.
क्या चाहेंगे, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर वगैरह बहुत सी चीज़ें आप करते हैं, आपके बारे में बताइए.
मैं फिल्म मेकर भी हूँ, प्रोड्यूसर्स भी हूँ और ट्रेनर भी हूँ. मैं बहुत सारे फिल्म स्कूल में FTI, NSD, बहुत सारे बालाजी, रमेश सिप्पी कई जगह पढ़ाता भी हूँ, एक्टर को ट्रेन करता हूँ, और फिल्म्स और शॉर्ट फिल्म वेब सीरीज़ भी डिज़ाइन करता हूँ.
क्या कुछ कमाल करने वाले हैं आज, एंजॉय करने वाले हैं?
हाँ, थोड़ा है, मूड है एंजॉय करने का, और आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि कंट्री क्लब इनवाइटेड मी फॉर द इवेंट, और आई होप कि आज रॉक होने वाला है इवेंट.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू.
मेरा नाम निशु है, और बता अपने बारे में.
मेरा नाम रूप कौशल है. मैं डांसर हूँ, मैं एक्टर हूँ, और मैं परफॉर्मर हूँ.
हम जितना हो सके उतना ही करेंगे. कितना करेंगे.
क्या कुछ नए साल की कुछ गेस्ट लिस्ट है, कुछ बकेट लिस्ट है जो करना चाहते हैं, जो इस साल रहेंगे आप लोग?
मैं थोड़ा लाउडली.
ये साल अच्छा रहे, बस ये साल सबके लिए अच्छा रहे.
आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? शुभकामनाएं के लिए कुछ अच्छे.
हाँ, सबके लिए अच्छा हो ये साल, मेरे लिए सबके लिए अच्छा हो बस यही.
वैसे भी पिछला साल बहुत बुरा ही गया सबका, मेरे ख्याल से सबके लिए बुरा ही गया है. कुछ अच्छा देखने को मिला भी नहीं है किसी को. ये साल सबके लिए अच्छा होना चाहिए. कुछ
होगा, अच्छा होगा, अच्छा रहेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मैम. इसे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले नए साल के लिए आप यहाँ पर आए हैं 31st मनाने, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
31st के लिए मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ. कनिष्क मेरी फ्रेंड है और बहुत अच्छे DJ है वो, और मैं यही कहूँगा कि सबका नया साल अच्छा जाए और सब तरक्की करें और अच्छे मुकाम पे हर चीज़ को लेकर चलें.
थैंक यू.